Do you want something so badly, but it's just so expensive and you're broke because you spent all your money on V-Bucks and you have no way of getting income? Hey, what is up guys, it's Sivr here, back with a video, and today guys, I'm going to be telling you how to make money as a kid or teen.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you.
So the first way is to get a job as a referee or umpire. You can ask a local soccer league or baseball league manager on how you can sign up and get a license. For soccer, the average is about $25 a game, which is 50 minutes, but you may have to buy a uniform. This is if you're going to ref kids, which is the easiest to ref and requires the cheapest license. Baseball is about $20 a game, which is about 90 minutes on average, but the uniform is supplied and there's no running or physical exercise. The second way is to sell your old games, clothes, etc. You can sell your old video games that you never use on eBay or Craigslist, but never sell to GameStop. They will give you way less than the game is worth. Ask parents for help. If you're going to ship it out using eBay, put it in a box and ship it out, and there's instructions on eBay. You can also sell your old clothes and shoes, or sell shoes and clothes that you get for really cheap from thrift stores or garage sales on eBay or Craigslist. Do chores for your parents. Ask if there's anything you can do for money. My parents paid me $10 to vacuum the house, which took around 20 minutes. I also get paid $5 for allowance a week for doing my chores, which are super easy. It really adds up over time. You're making $20 a month, just maybe 5 minutes a day, which is good. Number 4, you can pet sit or babysit for your neighbors or family friends. Babysitting requires training, but is usually paid about $10 an hour, but it's a big responsibility. You can put up flyers to advertise yourself to get new clients for babysitting. Pet sitting is really easy and requires minimal time. Maybe 20 minutes a day for a week might earn you $100 depending on the client, how many pets they have, and what type of pets they have. Number 5, sell candy, drinks, chips, or treats. I sold candy at school and made $100 in 1 week. You can buy somewhere cheap in bulk like Costco or Sam's Club or Walmart, and you can just buy bulk candy and sell it out to everyone at school and stuff. I have a separate video with all the details. The link will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and can start making some cash. Like and subscribe for more quality gaming content and tutorials every week. Peace.